guys, so don't mind that. I was telling my friend if he subscribed to me and he says he already subscribed to me. So guys, so today we're gonna be playing Troll Button Tower. Yeah, there's a lot of trollers. So wait, I was like, wait, is the Wi-Fi not here again? Like, why is it loading? Loading lagi kayo. Why internet akong kuya? Loading kayo guys, lagi kayo. What is bro climbing? Woo! God damn. Let's go. Yeah, wala. I swear to God, if I get disconnected, then I'm literally going to throw my phone across the freaking room until it's freaking cracked. Like, I'm not even joking. I'm too strict to my phone. Let's go. No trollers, okay. Bro, there's like no Wi-Fi. I'm not in my mom's office. Like, there's no, like, I'm not in my mom's office, so this is the best day ever. Like, I don't know why this is the best day, but it's still the best day of my life. It got worse. Bro, like, I don't freaking understand. Oh my god! Tayo just happened. I'm too strict to my phone. Like, I'm too strict to my phone. They get punishments. Yeah, I'm too strict to my phone because of the goddamn AS internet. Like, I don't know why. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, why was that so funny to watch? Please do not troll. He's not gonna troll a woman. Just kidding, I'm not a woman. Bayot! If I do some Korean language, yeah, that might damn. Cause I'm half Korean, Charge cry. Pero kabalo ko speak Korean, so I'm not. So yeah. Abo! Yeah, like that. Okay. Like I was saying, I'm strict to my phone. I hit them when they but I treat them. I only hit them when I got rage, like, and stuff like that. Bro, there's so many trollers. Like, I don't know what the hell is going on. The troller fell. Aha! Please, I do not. Bro's gonna troll. I do not trust you. I have trust issue, you know. Bro's gonna troll. You go first. Bro's gonna troll. I goddamn knew it. I goddamn knew it. I goddamn freaking knew it. Oh my god. Bro, watch and learn. Okay, go. I'm watching. Tyson. If I hold again, I'ma beat your ass up. Bro, this is alright. Abo, kuno mo. Kashi ba yo? Go back to job. Okay, let's do this. You want? Ooh! Worst stroller I've seen in my entire life. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was our worst stroller. But Siyuk is definitely the best stroller. But he gets trolled sometimes. He fails his troll. Whoa! Magic, magic. Ano ka ng magic? Oh, it's because they turn off their Wi-Fi. Oh, I get it now. It's because they turn off their goddamn Wi-Fi and stuff like that. Yeah. Have fun. Am I going to turn off my Wi-Fi too? You guys might say I'm the biggest troller, but yeah, you guys might say I'm the biggest cheater. Well, yeah, I'm very sorry. I only do that when I cannot pass like that troller over there. So I'm sorry if I'm the biggest. I'm sorry if I'm the biggest cheater. Sorry about that. But I guess I'm going to. Did the game? Okay. I'm sorry for being the biggest cheater, but I didn't expect. What happened? I didn't turn off my Wi-Fi. I'm gonna turn off my Wi-Fi. I'm so sorry if I'm gonna cheat. Oh wow, if you look at that, never mind. What, I cannot cheat. How do I do this? How do I do this? Somebody gets close. Oh my god, I'm the biggest troller. I'm a troller, but I troll somebody sometimes. Am I the only rich person here? Bro, still have the Chinese rat. Oh my god, that's so cool. What? Bro's gonna troll too? Wow, bro. No way. No way! How that? No way, dude. No way. That girl is troller, don't. Yeah guys, am I gonna cheat? Okay guys, so I cheat. My Wi-Fi is gonna turn back at any seconds. Yeah. So I cheat. So I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry that I cheated. It's because I cannot stand those trollers. So that's why I cheat and turn off my Wi-Fi. So yeah. Sorry. I know everyone doesn't cheat and doesn't know this trick, but I know this trick. any trollers? No trollers. Gonna practice our. Oh, okay, almost there. Cutie chick. Yeah! 그랬나요? 잠깐만요. 오, 쉬나, 어떻게 나가야 돼? 저는, 야, 그만 쓰는 거야? 쉬는 뜻, 그냥, 그냥 남아, 예, 오케이, 쉬나요? Somewhere I get someone looking California love. Oh, let's go. Lonely. I guess I'm lonely. No one has even made it in here yet. Okay, we go. Oh. Yeah! What does this button do? Oh, okay. Wait. 진아야? 많아. 하나. Okay. Bruh, there's none! I thought there were some, but there's none. Okay, we practice. Okay. Oh my god, come on. Oh my god, there's a troll. I got this, Aria. Don't be shy, Aria. Don't be nervous. Yes! Okay, guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.